Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know It All here. Today we're going to go through LitePay coin, LPC. This coin's been in existence now for a couple months, actually about 3 months to be exact. So I kind of wanted to just give a review on it. Obviously it has got some pretty good traction here. Looks like it's holding its value versus Bitcoin, and it's still ROIing around 633%, which is great return. All right, let's go through our checklist here. Let's check the Bitcoin talk thread. They got a member here. Obviously, they have a marketing budget here, and so they're definitely getting their name out there. So, and it looks like they have an ATM type deal here. So their block rewards looks like it's so 90% of the block reward go to the masternode and 10% go to the staker. So this is a proof of stake coin. It looks like it started out as proof of work, and they're making the switch over to proof of stake, or they already made the switch. All right, so the Bitcoin talk thread looks pretty active. They got 296 pages worth of comments and or activity on their Bitcoin talk thread, so that's a lot. All right, let's check out their top 100 wallets. Looks like, yeah, 9% of the top 25. That's very well distributed coins. I would say that obviously gets one of the check marks here. The volume, obviously, looking at almost $1 million worth of volume. That's a lot of volume, guys. The exchanges it's listed on here: CryptoBridge, Cryptopia, Coin Exchange, StockX. All these exchanges are better exchanges than, GraviX, which are a free exchange. There's no free exchange here listed, I don't believe. I'm not sure what CoinEx market is, but Coin Exchange, Cryptopia, CryptoBridge, StockX Exchange, Escadex, South Exchange, I don't believe that those are free to list on. So this coin is definitely doing some volume. Looks like you definitely can make some nice passive income with this coin if you have this type of bankroll to work with. Guys, only risk what you can afford to lose. That's always the number one rule in investing. However, this is not financial advice. I will openly tell you guys that most of my videos, I do not accept payments for. I don't charge the developers for these videos. I do these reviews out of the kindness of my heart, and therefore I ask you guys to like and subscribe. However, on some of these videos, the developers like my work. They give me tips. I only work on tips, guys. I don't ask for a going rate for my content. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I appreciate all your guys' feedback and comments. All right, so let's get back to it here, guys. They have a very well distributed coin. They have a ton of community activity on their Bitcoin talk thread. It seems like a very profitable coin to mine right now, getting about almost $90 a day. Looks like it's holding its value here versus Bitcoin. The devs were very open to give me information, which I liked. Very communicative in their announcement threads here. Looks like they're very active. Yeah, they look very active in the Discord thread here. So that gets a check mark. I believe they do have a team. Let me see if they do have a team. I don't know if they are a completely exposed team. Like I said, this can go either way. They have a white paper. Doesn't look like they have an exposed team on their website. Oh, they do have a team. Here we go. Here's their exposed team. Here's Damon Bryant. I think these guys are all over YouTube. So there you go. They have an exposed team, guys. I would say on Mr. Know It All scale, they get a 10 out of 10. They have an exposed team. They're working with a accredited university. They have ATMs. They're being built with them. I'd say this is definitely going to be a successful project. It is already, I would say. It's been around for 3 months. A lot of these masternode projects, die out really quickly because they don't meet community demands. I think this coin is going to do very well in the long term if they continue on doing what they're doing. All right, guys, thanks for choosing Mr. Know It All. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.